Hi Capricorn, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Capricorn, a very happy new year, guys. What are the messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs? Hierophant, Six of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Mhm. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Emperor, the main energy of this reading. Capricorn, what I feel here is right now, you guys are exploring your spiritual side, you guys are exploring your authoritative side, wherein, you know, the times when everything is happening in the background, but you're focusing on moving ahead. So there's love on the other side, there is your career on the other side, there are emotional issues on the other. But you are just going on, you're moving, you're on the move. And for those who are not moving, who are um, choosing to be stagnant, they're not stagnant. They're not, it's not in the negative, it doesn't have a negative connotation attached to it. You are just planning and working on a beautiful future, but you're also isolated and in a state of rest. You're trying to rejuvenate yourself. You've, cut off from the world for some time. You've gone off the grid for some time. So there are two kinds of people Capricorn is divided into. One who is taking everything in their stride while they are on the move, and the other one wants to just isolate themselves. Mhm. Yeah, because there's a lot of deep thinking that you're doing, whether it is love or some kind of relationship matters, even marriage for that matter. But you're going to be moving on from something, either with your partner or without them. So, for some of you, I feel there is somebody from your past who wants to ask you if you're okay with another chance, with another go at the relationship, at this connection. But somehow you find yourself being really tied up into your own thoughts. You want to start something new, and I think you will be doing that. You'll come out of your cocoon all refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to give this relationship another chance. Yeah, I see a lot of communication coming your way with the Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Page of Swords. Lots of communication, lots of new beginnings, and the past person that you're going to be reconsidering is not somebody who you do not love, or who it'll be, with who it'll be a little unnatural to fall in love with again. It's just something that you both know. You both were on a journey together, and then something happened and you had to part ways for some time, but then you reconsidered this and came back together. This is how it's going to be, Capricorn. Both of you should be aware of holding your feelings to yourselves, and you should communicate whatever is happening in your life with the other person so that the other person feels loved, connected, and there is this mutual understanding between the two of you. I feel things are going to turn into passionate new beginnings, lots of money coming your way. You could be dealing with a Libra person or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, even a Leo person. Capricorn, let's see some oracle messages for you. These messages may or may not be directly related to the tarot, so take them however they resonate with you. Let go. Let go of the past, probably. Let go of any kind of negative feelings or whatever question you had in your mind before you tuned into this reading. Let go of that. That is the answer. Believe in yourself. See yourself doing well, and you will. Okay. Let yourself receive. Allow others to give you loving care. Receive without guilt or apologies. Something new awaits you, a new dawn. With the death card being here, I feel something beautiful is coming your way. After autumn comes spring. It's something like that. It's time to take action. You've got a new moon in Aries. Communication is the key. I mentioned earlier in the reading that you need to communicate with your partner so as to build a mutual understanding. You have two new moons and one full moon, end of a tough cycle approaches. Your emotions may be running high a little. You might feel yourself being overwhelmed. Take it in your stride because you're a strong sign, Capricorn, and there's nothing that can bring you down. Inspired ideas, see the big picture. In the long run, in the bigger perspective, do you see yourself being with this person? If yes, then go for it, take action, Capricorn. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. I'll take out one more message for you. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I'm being guided. Capricorn, I think you're taking back the authority of your life and not giving in to situations and emotions. If you want something, you are going to go after it and make things happen. Thank you for watching, guys. A very happy new year to you. Bye.